This is how you find all the documents shared between yourself and your contact on iMessages. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing. That really helps the channel. Thanks. So right now, I'm on a message thread. This can be any message thread you want. Tap on the name in the top, and it's going to show various tabs up here. Although some won't show tabs, depending on how much information you have about that contact. There's an info tab, which is like their number, address, email address. Backgrounds tab allows you to add backgrounds to your messages. The photos tab is all the photos you've shared. The links tab is all the links you've shared. And there are currently no documents that I shared with this contact. But watch what happens when I send a document to this contact. Okay, I just sent it from my computer. Let's see if it comes in. There it is right there, delivered already. Now if I go up to the contacts area again, look, there's a new tab added, documents. And there's 2 copies of it for some reason. Pretty sure it's because I was sending it to myself, and so it gets weird when you send stuff to yourself. Either way, when you receive documents and you send them back and forth between your contacts, there is a Documents tab that appears. If you are using multiple devices, and let's say you receive the document while you're on your iPad, then you go to your iPhone and it's not there, that could be an issue with the syncing that you have set up for your iCloud. Let's check out the settings for that. Go to the Settings tab, back all the way out of here to the main settings, and tap on iCloud. Here we see various settings related to syncing. In regards to documents and having those sunk between your devices, you really want to focus on iCloud Drive and Messages. So open iCloud Drive, make sure Sync This Phone is turned on, and make sure it's turned on for all of your devices where you're sending and receiving things. Then make sure Messages in iCloud is also turned on, and make sure that's turned on for all your various devices. That'll make sure that if you're receiving any documents on your devices, they'll be shared between all your devices. You might also, while you're here, turn this on for photos. So if you send and receive any photos in your messages, those will be sunk as well. And it can take a minute for all the syncing to happen, depending how many documents and how many photos you have that you want to sync, or that, not that you want to, that will be sunk. You can't really choose which one to sync. So it might take some time before you see something appear in the Documents tab here, but just give it a little bit and eventually all your documents will appear here. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right here that shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but you need to do it. So check out that video and I'll see you there.